Hello everyone, I'm Jens from BlockRock Mining. Today I'll be showing you how to get started with the Factom blockchain. This guide is useful for anyone who's interested in interacting with the Factom blockchain using the tools Factom CLI and Factom wallet, and in particular those who are interested in running an authority node should get to know the system better. So what we're going to do is install the Factom daemon, the Factom wallet and the CLI tools on a Ubuntu 18 server. So what I've done so far is I have installed a Ubuntu here. I've already done the update and upgrade command, so this is a system that's completely up to date. It's the 1804 LTS. The first thing we'll be doing is to install Docker. So what you could do as well is to just click here, go to distribution, download the release here. The Factom daemon is in fact included in this binary file, but I prefer to do it the node operator way, using Docker for especially to get to know the system. So we'll go ahead and install Docker. This command is for uninstalling the old versions, but this is a fresh Ubuntu, so we don't need to do that. We'll start here by adding the repository. And the key. And then the repository here. Now you can install Docker CE. Now, once Docker is installed, you need to give a user permissions to use Docker. So this is done using a user mod command. It's not a real fast system that I've got it running on. Here we go. User mod docker. I misspelled it, and I have to use sudo. There we go. Now I actually have to relog, so I'll just duplicate it and log in, because you have to activate the permissions. And I'll just close this one. And now I'll go here to the authority toolkit here. This is very important if you're going to run for an authority node, but for now we'll skip all of this swarm joining and just create the Factom volume. Here we go, Docker volume database and keys. We'll not be joining the swarm, but we need the Factom config file. So we can just download it from this link, wget, and just to confirm that it's a real file, factomd.conf. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, now we have to move this file to this location. Okay. Now, if you're going to do this for the testnet, a Factom you should go to here and check the testnet toolkit. There's a where is it again? Yeah, there's a here. Use this file. You click here, go to raw, and then just download this file instead for the testnet config file. We're doing the mainnet for now, so I've already downloaded it. I'll just move it to the right location. Varlib docker volumes factom keys data factomd.com. Yeah, sudo. I need root for this. Okay, so now it's on the right location. And the last thing that you actually need, and now the config file, we just start the container. So we'll just need this command. I'll just copy it, but you will have to check that this is the latest version. So I'll just modify this command. It says 520 Alpine, but if you just Google something like Docker Hub Factom Inc. or Factom D, you will find this public repository. You can click tags here and you will find the latest version. It seems like the latest stable version is 541. These are just developments. Okay, so I'll change it to 541 and it'll download the image and I will start it. You can check if it's running by docker ps. It's running. Now you can verify that this actually works. I'll check my IP address. It's this is my IP. Go here and go to 8090. So it's actually running. It's connecting to peers, but obviously it's not synced yet. This will take hours probably to sync your node. Yeah, and the equivalent testnet command that you will need to run here, you will obviously find it in the Factom testnet toolkit and at the bottom here. Here it is. But at least make sure that you use the latest version. 500 is here, but you can use 541 or even some staging versions if you're feeling brave. Okay, now that this is running, the next thing we want to install is our wallet daemon. So I go back to Factom project here, and if I go to distribution and download the latest release 541, oh convenient, I'll paste it here, wget, there we go, and install it, sudo Factom. Now this has the Factom daemon, Factom wallet daemon, and the Factom CLI. On the Discord there was someone who showed how to set it up as a system daemon, as a system service that will automatically boot or start when you boot the system. So what you do is you just add a file to the system D directory, so just sudo nano etc system D system and wall factom wallet d.service. And this is basically what he posted for us. Just paste this in here, and I'll change the user and group to my current user. And now I can reload the daemons, sudo systemctl daemon reload, and now I can start the Factom wallet D. I'll check if it's running. Status. Yeah, it's running, active running on green stuff. That's good. And I'll just enable it to make sure it starts on boot up. Systemctl enable and sudo, of course. Enable Factom wallet D, and I'll enable Docker as well. I'm not sure if it's enabled by default. Now the wallet service is up and running. You can interact with the Factom daemon that you've installed. You can select if you'll be running it on the testnet or the mainnet. But you can't change between them at any time. You'll have to clear the database and clear the keys in order to change from the mainnet to testnet or vice versa. If you want to stop the Docker or the Factom daemon, you can just run docker stop Factom D. Now it's not running anymore. And you can start it again by typing start. Now it's running again with the same yeah, it's back up. If you're going to upgrade this to a new version, what you'll do is you type docker stop, and now you delete it, remove it by typing rm. And now it's gone, you can't start it anymore. So you just have to do the run command again. Here's the run command. And you can just change the version number here. So now I have a new Factom D container running, and it's updated. We can interact now with using Factom CLI and Factom wallet. So we can just test it by using Factom CLI get heights. Yeah, so we're not synced at all. But once it's synced and up and running, you can start interacting directly with the Factom blockchain on this platform. For node operators, you can use this platform, and later on I'll show you how you can use this platform to create your node identity, authority identity, set the Coinbase address, and change the efficiency of your payouts. That's basically it. Thank you for watching.